Rio Hoe St. Anne now has an upgraded cultural center.
This community center will serve a wide range of activities and different age groups.
First established in the 1970s, the Rio Hoe Community Center has long been a central meeting point for residents of this area.
This community center is like an oasis in the desert. It is a community center that a lot of people utilizes on a weekly basis. I could put my neck on the block and say, in St. Anne, this is the community center that is most utilized.
But the wear and tear of time began to show on the center until the intervention of the Chase Fund brought a fresh look. The new beginning came with a new name, the Rio Hoe Community Cultural Center. The rehabilitation work was funded at a cost of $4.5 million. It involved improvements to the bathrooms, kitchen, ceiling and windows, as well as wall finishes and electrical installation.
I'm seeing a finished product, a project that we're really pleased about.
The facility is one of 10 community centers across the island that were either built or rehabilitated by Chase.
We have spent in excess of $2 billion to do projects like these in and around every corner of this country, Jamaica, land we love.
Recently, the Rio Hoe Community Cultural Center was officially opened and handed over to residents. Today, it serves more than 2,000 citizens.
We are hoping that you will make the best use of this community center. It's not built for any special group. It is not built for any particular individual. It is built for the members of the Rio Hoe community.
And those members are more than eager to put it to good use for individual and community development. The right things are in place: a nearby river, a splendid field, and a quiet nature trail. At the center of it all, the community center.
Windalco at times hop on the bandwagon by asking to use it. We also come out here to support events undertaken by the communities. Whether it is a funeral, whether it is a festive dance, whatever it is held here right at Rio Hoe Community Center.
The Rio Hoe Community Cultural Center, a hub for training, recreation, cultural and sporting activities.
We need to ensure that we maintain the place in a good condition so that it can offer services, good quality service to all and sundry.